Hello IG Garage family. Is your car suddenly losing power, giving poor fuel economy, or running inconsistently? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0114, it means there's an intermittent issue with your intake air temperature sensor. This can cause the ECU to miscalculate air-fuel mixture, leading to rough idling, performance drops, and higher fuel consumption. In this video, we'll cover what P0114 means, the exact location of the IAT sensor, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it easily. Let's get started. What does P0114 mean? The P0114 trouble code stands for Intake Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. This means the IAT sensor signal is cutting in and out, causing inconsistent readings for the engine control module. Symptoms of P0114 include the following. First, the check engine light will be on. You might also notice an erratic, idle, or rough running. Poor acceleration and throttle response are common. High fuel consumption can also be a symptom. Finally, engine hesitation or stalling might occur. Now let's talk about the common causes of P0114. First, a loose or dirty IAT sensor can cause issues because dirt buildup can disrupt the sensor's readings. Second, faulty or intermittent wiring might be the culprit. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause signal drops. Third, a bad IAT sensor itself could be failing, sending random signals. Lastly, though rare, issues with the ECM could cause the problem, as a malfunctioning ECU may misread sensor data. So where is the IAT sensor located? The intake air temperature sensor is typically found inside the intake manifold or within the air filter housing in most vehicles. In some models, it is integrated into the mass airflow sensor. The IAT sensor typically has two wires, one for signal voltage and one for ground. Check for loose, broken, or corroded wires. If your vehicle has a separate IAT sensor, it will be a small sensor with a two-wire connector near the throttle body or air intake tube. Inspect and clean the IAT sensor. Remove the sensor and clean it with MAF cleaner or electrical contact cleaner. If it's covered in dirt or oil, clean it thoroughly. Next, check wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, loose, or broken wires. If you find corrosion, clean the connectors with electrical cleaner. Then test the sensor using a multimeter. Check for fluctuating or unstable voltage readings. If the signal is erratic, the sensor may need replacement. Finally, reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0114 code. Drive the car and monitor if the check engine light comes back. That's how you fix P0114. Intermittent IAT sensor issue. If your car is idling rough, losing power randomly, or using too much fuel, check your IAT sensor and wiring. For more expert car fixes, watch these videos next. P0051HO2S heater control circuit low, bank 2 sensor 1, and P0045 turbo supercharger boost control a circuit open. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.